Yo, first off, first. Here we go.
National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in central North Carolina, southwestern Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, north central Hope County in central North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Biscoe, or 12 miles east of Troy, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
Oh my.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Southern Pines, Carthage, Pinehurst, Biscoe, Whispering Pines, Broadway, Robbins, Foxfire, and Kender. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service
We did it, y'all. We did it. We did it. WR100 FIRST ACTIVATION.
Southwestern Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeast